Hi guys, I am making a nice tea blend tonight for someone. There's my ingredients here. So this woman wants a nice tea blend that will help with her anxiety. So I found out she's breastfeeding too, so I thought, why not create a beautiful tea blend for her that helps with her anxiety, and all of the herbs and roots will also help her baby with different things like colic and diarrhea and things like that. So I'm creating with you right now this tea blend. So the first thing I'm going to use is some ginger roots. Ginger roots, it's very soothing for the baby's belly, and it also increases circulation. So we're going to use some ginger roots. That looks nice. We don't want it to be a powder because this is a tea blend, so she's going to steep this. A couple pieces I'm going to put back in here. That looks good. Alright, next thing we're going to use is some chamomile. This will help with calming mom down, and it actually calms the baby. And if your baby's teething, it'll help with the teething when they're drinking the breast milk. Hopefully they're not teething. But if they are, this will calm them, and it calms mama down too. So I'm actually going to put some in my buster. That looks great. Alright, so we got the chamomile. Next thing we're going to use is some Fennel. This will help a gassy baby. All these ingredients will help with her anxiety and depression if that's what she has. So get some Fennel. The Fennel. Now we're going to use some lemon balm. Lemon balm will calm your baby and mama too. And I'm not going to put this in the buster. I'm just going to break it up and put it in the tea. So this is going to be great for mama. She's going to feel her anxiety lift, and all these things are good for the baby. So it's a win-win. Get a little more lemon balm. Now this is to be used in moderation because she is breastfeeding. So it's not like she's going to drink 10 cups a day. She's probably only going to have 1 or 2 cups a day. I would just say 1 cup a day would be good. So we got the lemon balm. Now, we got some lavender. And I'm just going to, this is lavender flower. I'm just going to put the lavender right into. I'm not going to bust that up. So, oh, it smells lovely. The lavender will calm mama and baby. Our next one that we're going to use is the bee pollen. This is exciting, guys. Bee pollen helps with hydration. It keeps the breast healthy too. Bee pollen does. Now you may read some things and people will say bee pollen, don't have it while you're breastfeeding. Actually, I've done enough research that, and I followed this woman that she knows what she's talking about, and she's a herbalist herself, has many, many clients that have good results from using the bee pollen when they're breastfeeding. It's actually really good if you have inflammation. It'll help with that. And if you had any sort of breast infection, the bee pollen will help with that. So I'm going to actually, should I bust it up? I'm going to bust it up a little bit Just a bit, not too much. Oh yeah, it looks perfect. Okay, so we get the bee pollen. Now I'm going to add one more ingredient, which was my St. John's Wort. Fine for a woman that's breastfeeding too, just in moderation. All these, it's not a big amount, so I'm not going to bust that up. I'm just going to put that in like this. Oh, it looks lovely. It actually smells really good too. So here's her little tea blend, guys. And that's going to help a lot with her anxiety and depression, and it's going to help her baby. So I hope this helps somebody. If you're breastfeeding and you're a little bit depressed, don't throw the baby out with the water. Make a nice tea. Have a good night, guys.